In this video, I'm not talking about a technique, I'm not teaching you something, I just want to talk about my new YouTube channel, Brooker Films Quick Tutorials. And when I say new YouTube channel, this is a second channel. I'm still going to be running this channel on the same schedule, but I'm also uploading on a separate channel, and the whole point of that channel is to create Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects tutorials in a much quicker time. Now, the reason why I decided to start this second channel and focus on shorter tutorials is because on so many of my videos, it says tutorial starts at 4 minutes, tutorial starts at 2 minutes, or skip to this section if you want to skip the nonsense. Well, the reason why I include this information is because it's important when you're setting up a project. Like when you're doing a cloning effect, for example, I need to talk about the importance of clean plates and shooting that correctly and making sure the light's matching and all of this stuff. So with the second channel being entirely focused on short to the point tutorials, hopefully it should be a nice balance between straight to the point tutorials over there and then more fleshed out, detailed tutorials over here. So please consider checking out the channel, and thank you once again for all of your continued support on this channel as well. I really do appreciate everyone that watches, comments, and supports this channel. Now, I promise the next video I upload to this channel will be a tutorial, and we'll get back to all the normal content. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in a future video.